Welcome back to Dr. Pronghorn's Make-Along Vlog. Today I'm not going to be making anything. This is my quarterly Watch Gang shipment. It's a month late, not because of Watch Gang, but because of me. I was in Italy for work this summer, and I'm only now getting around to being able to open the package. So I actually cheated and looked on the website while I was still in Italy, and I could figure out what watch it is. So I know it's in here, but it's still going to be exciting to actually see it. And I was able to print out the specifications, so I'll have those ready to tell you about once I get it open. But while I'm talking about it, I got Dr. Pronghorn stickers made. When people buy stuff on my Etsy site, I'm throwing these in with the packages now, and you should be able to find either underneath or next to, depending on what you're using, my swag store where you can buy Dr. Pronghorn t-shirts and hoodies and mugs like this one, if you so choose. Anyway, today we're going to open this Watch Gang shipment and find out what's inside. So here we go. Also, I have coasters. These are coasters. For those who know, you put your drinks on it. It keeps it from ruining your table. See my table? It needs to be protected from drinks. Anyway, what do we got inside of here? What do we got? Okay, $10 off. Summer Wheel 5. It's only good until August 21st, which is August 29th now. So I missed that. So that's the my fault for waiting too long. So that's not any good. Oh, IKONIK. Okay, like I said, I already know what's in here, but it's still kind of fun to see. And it's trying to open on me, so. IKONIK. Oh, wood grain. So, I know that a lot of people think wood grain dresses stuff up, but as an actual woodworker, I can tell when it's fake wood grain like this, and it bothers me. So I would rather this was anything else, fake carbon fiber even, than fake wood grain. Either actually make it out of wood and show me the actual grain, or just don't bother. So for me, at least, fake wood grain actually dresses something down and not up. So take that into mind, IKONIK. That's nothing helped me to have the fake wood grain. Come on, there we go. Aha! So yeah, what I have here is an IKONIK diver with a tiger eye. So part of their deal is that they use semi-precious gemstones as the backgrounds for their dials. So this is, you know, it's got a Submariner style shape to it. So you could think of it as a Submariner homage, 200-foot rating, and it's got the NH36. So it's got the day and the date. So this is the first Watch Gang watch I've gotten that has a day and a date complication, the NH36 instead of the NH35. So that's kind of cool. Right now it seems to have, was that the Spanish date? So usually these date dials have two different languages because there's enough space on the dial to have 14 days. And so depending on where you set it, it moves 2 increments each time, and then you get, it stays on your language. So it'll skip over the Spanish one to get to the English one if I've set on English. It's got a nice clasp. There's no buttons, but it does have the safety lock. There are some cards in here. Take a look at this. So it doesn't have an expander for your wetsuit. It really is a desk diver, really. But it's a nice one. Since I'm not actually doing any real diving, I don't care. Let's see what the cards are. One card. It is just the warranty card. 24 months from the date of purchase. So it's got a 2-year warranty. Unauthorized service voids your warranty. So don't open it up unless you want to give up on the warranty. like I did with my Soviet. That's okay. It hadn't given me any trouble since I opened it up. I'll speed up as I go through taking off all of the plastic. There is some joy in getting to take the plastic off. First person. So, you know, I did a video where I went over the last 2 years of Watch Gang and got a lot of views. People are commenting on it. But I see a lot of comments from people who say they would never do that. They would never join Watch Gang, and they don't understand why you would do it, and it just seems like a ridiculous waste of money. Which is fine if that's their opinion, that's fair. But what I would like to see are some comments from people who think it might be cool, or who think it is cool, and what they think about it. So it'd be great to get some contrasting viewpoints. So let's see. IKONIK. Let's go ahead and unscrew this. You can see the bezel does a good job matching with the calendar markings on the dial, so the bezel is lined up well. And it's got 2 ticks per minute, so 120 all the way around. There's a little loom pip on the dial, on the bezel. I don't know if the rest of the numbers are loomed or not. Does not have a display back. It has a scuba dude and a shark on the back. Japan automatic movement, serial number 102. Oceandiver. Oh, and there is a plastic bit here. 102, huh? Nice. It says water resistant to 20 atmospheres here, and then 200 meters, 660 feet, which is the same as 20 atmospheres. So there you go. Features stainless steel case. Bezel is silver color with a black ceramic inlay. Polished crown with etched logo, the IKONIK logo. Silver color bracelet. Tiger's eye stone dial with shiny silver color super luminous indices. You can see that. Shiny silver color hands with super luminous hands. Yep. 41 millimeters across. 13 millimeters thick. See, it's polished on the sides and brushed on the face. A lot of these are. Like this orange watch I made myself is polished on the face or polished on the sides and brushed on the face too. And the crystal is sapphire with an anti-reflective coating. So it's pretty good. It'll last a long time. And of course it's got day date. So let's move these around. So that's noon. So when I take it all the way around past midnight, you'll see it'll change the date first. That clicks over. And then around 1 a.m., you get it to the second language. And then around 2 a.m., or maybe later, 3 a.m., it's going to switch to the second language there. So see Sabado, that's the Spanish one. So now it's 6 a.m., and of course, right now it's actually pretty late. So we'll set it to noon just for a minute so I can set the date and day correctly. So you got to go into the middle mark, and then the day should be turning down. So today's the 29th. So I set it to noon for setting the day date, because if you try to set the day date late, like right now it's after 9 p.m., that'll actually screw up the mechanism inside. So with a watch like this, you should never try to quick set the day date when it's after 9 p.m. or before 3 a.m. And you can see why, because of the way it sets its mechanism. So if we're going down is the date, up should be the day. So there, now it says Sunday, and of course today, Domingo, and then of course today's actually Monday, the 29th of August. So then we go back out and we can set the hands, and it is 9:15 and a half. So I set this watch to the atomic clock this morning, so it's pretty close to on track. And we'll just get this to go. It's pretty close. In 5 seconds. Synchronized. Okay. So there you have it. IKONIK Tiger Eye Steel Diver. Not Steel Diver. They call it Oceandiver. Oceandiver. All right. And I won't bother to set the bracelet while you're watching. You don't need to watch me hammer the links out and stuff. I will put it on so you can see how big it is. I'm a big guy, but I don't have huge wrists. Yeah. So I'm going to have to take a couple of links out, probably. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. I have a lot more content coming. Of course, I got all the stuff I did in Italy. I also have got more on the Jeep. So Jeep videos should be coming very soon. If you haven't been following along on Instagram, you can find me on Instagram. Links are in my bio. And yeah, I've got a 1977 Jeep CJ5 that I'm trying to get running again. I got it running for a brief moment, and then it stripped out the gears on the distributor. So I'm doing a bunch more work to it, but that's my main big project right now. And then I have a bunch of boots. I actually got another pair of Doc Martens. A friend of mine wants me to resole with Vibram soles. So if you're one of those people who screams when the Doc Martens get resoled with anything but Doc Marten soles, well, you can watch that and scream about it. Otherwise, you can just watch me do a bunch of hand stitching. So anyway, thanks for your time. Remember, you can get your very own Dr. Pronghorn sweatshirt if you want, or t-shirts or mugs. And if there are other items you'd like to see in the Dr. Pronghorn store but aren't there, send me a message, let me know. And look at my Etsy store too. Like I said, I'm sending out Dr. Pronghorn stickers with the orders from my Etsy store. So thank you for your time. Be safe. It's a dangerous world out there, and we all got to take care of one another.